Hey guys, how's it going? And I want to talk about liquor stores today. Well, you know what? Today's video is about AMD, but I want to start off with a little bit of liquor stores because I got something interesting in the mail. Basically, there's a meeting. If you guys see this, there's a meeting on Wednesday, May 9th at 8 a.m. Now, and it's in Edmonton, so I don't physically have to go anywhere and like go to the shareholder meeting. I could just drive there at 8 in the morning and show up and try to find information. Anyways, they also gave me a fancy little book. Um, if you guys want me to make a video of this, I will leave a poll on top. And if more than 10 people vote on the poll, I will attempt to make a video on liquor store on the book that I had on liquor stores. If nobody cares, then I'm not gonna bother because making a video, it takes a lot of time, especially a hard video. This is my kind of shortcut. I'm just being lazy right now because yeah, I'm just being lazy, and I want to try to produce content every day, and by making live videos, I'm getting practice, so in the future my videos can be better and I don't have to rely so much on animation because makes practice makes you better, hopefully, I don't know. Anyways, today's video is going to be about AMD. If you guys haven't noticed, AMD just had their quarterly conference. They beat earnings by 8%, well, by like 2 cents, I think. Hold on. So they beat EPS by 2 cents, so they had an EPS of 11 cents, and they had revenue of 1.65 billion. That's a beat of 80 million, and the stock in pre-market right now is like 9% or 10%. It's pretty good because last year's revenue was a lot lower. This year is like a 39% increase, a 40% increase in revenue. So it's pretty good. The company usually struggles on the first quarter because it's the seasonality low point, and they usually do better in the second half of the year. And since they're profitable on the first quarter, that means that the rest of the year should be profitable unless something bad happens. So honestly, unless unless the stock market will crash, AMD should go like hypothetically, AMD should go back to like $13-14, and then in 2019, which is I think is a big year because they are going out with their 7 nanometer. Okay, so I do research on AMD all the time, so I kind of know the stuff a little bit more than maybe mostly my viewers, but yeah, they're going down to a 7. Like right now they're on a 12 nanometer, but they're moving down to 7 nanometer. 7 nanometer is going to make basically the CPU and the chips that they get from these wafers a lot smaller and more energy efficient, so they can do a lot more if it's energy efficient. And this is just rumors, but I really truly believe that AMD and Sony will come up with a PlayStation 5 using AMD 7 nanometer technology, the Ryzen CPU technology, and the Navi GPU technology all in one bundle. And I believe that Microsoft is also going to do the same thing, and I believe that it will all happen in 2019. So 2019 could be a very big year for AMD, and that could cause the stock to rise to 20 plus dollars. But then again, this is just from my knowledge of like basically following AMD all for a long time, and usually when I predict stuff, it usually comes true for AMD, usually, because I used to follow this company like I do with Aurora. I used to read up every piece of news. I used to watch every AMD video. I used to like watch tech shows just to figure out like and understand AMD and understand the business model, because when I first found AMD, I didn't know nothing about the business model. I didn't know anything about the semiconductor space, and I had to learn that, and it wasn't easy because I really had no interest in computer parts. But because I was so heavily invested into AMD, it motivated me to learn about computers and to learn how these stuff functions. And I honestly see that I see AMD recovering this year. This year they're gonna be profitable all year. Next year I believe they will be profitable too. So AMD could be a long-term hold for at least a year and a half, especially at the prices of like 10, 11, unless the stock market crashes and then everything goes down, then it doesn't matter. But AMD is on a path to recovery right now. The company's growing, they're generating profit, and they'll continue to generate profit all the way until the end of 2019. At least this is what I predict anyways. I've been rambling too long and this video is kind of long, so I'm gonna end it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for future updates, and bye. Thanks.